Welcome to WritersER, the sanctuary for doctoral, PhD, and master's learners navigating the intricate journey of dissertation and thesis writing. Today, we're demystifying a pivotal milestone in your academic odyssey, crafting a dissertation proposal, a step-by-step guide. Imagine standing at the threshold of your research adventure. The proposal is not just a formality, it's your roadmap, your beacon of light in the vast expanse of knowledge. It's where stress and excitement collide, marking the dawn of your scholarly quest. But fear not, for today we're here to arm you with a quiver full of strategies, tips, and insights to craft a compelling proposal, paving your way to academic triumph. Step 1. Understanding the purpose. Your dissertation proposal is more than a document, it's a promise, a commitment to exploring uncharted territories of knowledge. It outlines your research questions, methods, and the significance of your study. Think of it as your academic elevator pitch to your committee, convincing them that your research is not only worthwhile, but also capable of contributing new insights to your field. Step 2. Conduct a thorough literature review. Before you can chart your own course, you need to navigate the vast seas of existing literature. Dive deep into academic journals, books, and credible online resources. This step is crucial for two reasons. It helps you refine your research question and ensures your study adds new knowledge rather than replicating existing research. Step 3. Formulate your research question. Your research question is the guiding star of your dissertation. It should be clear, focused, and most importantly, answerable within the scope of your study. A well-crafted question not only directs your research, but also intrigues your audience, sparking curiosity and engagement. Step 4. Choose your methodology wisely. Whether you're navigating the realms of qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods, your choice must align with your research question. This decision shapes your data collection and analysis, laying the groundwork for your study's credibility. Describe your methodology with precision, detailing your data collection techniques, tools, and procedures. Step 5. Highlight the significance of your study. Why does your research matter? Here, you're not just stating the importance of your study, you're painting a picture of its potential impact. Whether it's filling a gap in the literature, addressing a societal issue, or informing policy changes, make your case passionately and convincingly. Step 6. Draft a timetable. A well-planned timetable is your best defense against the sands of time. Break down your project into manageable tasks, setting realistic deadlines for each milestone. This not only demonstrates your organizational skills, but also shows your commitment to timely completion. Step 7. Review and revise. Perfection is a process, not a one-time effort. Seek feedback from peers, mentors, and advisors. Their insights can provide invaluable perspectives, helping you refine your proposal to its best version. Remember, every critique is a stepping stone towards excellence. Conclusion: embracing the journey. Crafting your dissertation proposal is a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and scholarly growth. It's your first leap into the world of original research, a testament to your dedication and passion for your field. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a curious mind, for it is the first chapter of your academic legacy. Before we part ways, I invite you to ponder upon this question. What do you find most challenging about writing a dissertation proposal, and how do you plan to overcome it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more content designed to navigate the challenges of dissertation and thesis writing. Together, let's transform the daunting into the doable, embarking on this academic journey with confidence and clarity.